Hello everyone and welcome to How Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver, plastic tool and tweezers. Also I recommend using a magnetic mat in repair process and laying out each screw step by step during disassembly, which is especially useful in case of this laptop, and it is very important not to confuse them during assembly. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Next, take plastic tool and begin to open the case on the laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Remove the screws on the laptop hinges. Now we can remove and replace the top screen cover. Well, that's all. You are on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.